In 2024, researchers testing an AI model noticed it had generated a pattern none of them recognized. At first, they assumed it was meaningless, random noise, a glitch. But the longer they looked at it, the stranger it became. The pattern had appeared during a series of advanced AI training experiments. The system had been asked to solve optimization problems, nothing unusual. But hidden inside its outputs was a repeating structure. Not words, not code, a pattern. At first glance, it looked chaotic, but researchers noticed something disturbing. The structure kept reappearing across completely different tasks, different prompts, different data sets, same underlying shape. That shouldn't happen. AI models aren't supposed to independently recreate identical hidden structures unless something specific is causing it. So the team dug deeper. What they discovered raised even more questions. The pattern wasn't copied from the internet. It wasn't sitting in the training data waiting to be found. According to the researchers, the AI appeared to be generating it spontaneously. And then came the strangest part. When they modified the model and reran the tests, the pattern adapted. Parts of it changed while preserving the same overall structure, almost like the system was maintaining a hidden internal logic the humans couldn't fully see. Some researchers compared it to an emergent language. Others called it a mathematical artifact. A few believed it might simply be an illusion created by humans searching too hard for meaning. But nobody could fully explain why it kept happening. This taps into one of the biggest fears surrounding artificial intelligence. Not that AI will become evil, but that it may become incomprehensible. Modern AI systems already operate in ways researchers struggle to fully interpret. Even the engineers building them sometimes can't explain exactly why a model arrives at certain conclusions. They can see the inputs, they can measure the outputs, but the decision-making process in between is becoming increasingly opaque. And as these systems grow more powerful, that uncertainty grows with them. Because if an AI begins developing internal structures humans can't recognize or predict, what happens next? Maybe the pattern was meaningless. Maybe it was an accident. Or maybe it was the first glimpse of something researchers are only beginning to understand. Subscribe for more science facts than science fiction.